Hello all, my name is Raj from RCE. Today we're going to start a new series on smart home and automation. When we say smart home and automation, which includes using voice commands or app-based devices like switching on the light, voice-specific features like when we say hey Google, hey Alexa, or hey Siri, switch on the fan, switch on the light. Then we need voice-enabled devices like Google Home, Amazon Alexa. Most of us use Google Home or Amazon Alexa to play music, to ask few questions, set up alarms, and so on. But these devices does lot more than what we do. So we're going to start one at a time. Let us unbox Google Home first. So Google Home box contains a adapter, Google Home device, and a stand. Other than that, we also get a user manual. Unboxing part is very simple, which we have already displayed. Now let us start setting up Google Home. When we open the box, Google Home, we will see another USB charging port. This is our normal jack type charging port, which we do it. Speakers. Above we have clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you sing clockwise, volume increases, anti-clockwise, and then these are glowing lights for setup. So this is magnetic. It fixes. You may remove it. Cable part. As we said, we need to connect the adapter. So it will start showing up the lights. Let me put it in this way. To set up, we need to download an application from Google Play Store. Let us do that. Let me move my camera a little bit closer. Now let us start setting up one at a time. So this is Google Home, which is already in on state as of now. For mute and unmute of a speaker, you can use this button. Let us set up Google Home application on our phone. So this can be downloaded from Google Play Store or iPhone Store. Need to install. So application is about to finish installation. In the meanwhile, application is finishing. Let me switch off the screen so that at least phone screen will be visible little brighter. So Google Home is downloaded. We need to open. Welcome home, get started. You need to connect any of your email ID. Let me bring further closure. Google Home is up and running. We need to create speaker, living room speaker. You can increase or decrease the voice. See, whatever we do, you can increase or decrease or By default you can do it from here also. If you see the same effect here, so app and Google Home both are in sync. Now you are okay to play any of voice related commands like, hey Google, can you play some music?
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
That shit on TNT.
Mixed signals, they're killing me. I don't know what you are, but I know what I need. The goodbyes, the lows, I need you, no, I don't. Every time I start to know.
In the meanwhile, let us do other things. If you see below, request to home, you can join this home, send request. Open YouTube Music, you can play from here also. Speakers, bass and treble, and create home. It is in pause mode. We can start. Hey Google, can you again play?
Sorry I missed your call. I was on the jet. I've been so zoned out, trying to figure out what's next. So scared to fail. I'm calculating my every step. Gotta watch my back and keep my scrap, but nonetheless, I think about you when I'm.
You can add furthermore music, video, podcast, create new home. You can use any nickname, say RAJ, Raj. Next, home address, anything which you wish to. Continue. Now, key thing is that, is it only work with English language or any other language? Let me speak in Hindi. Hey Google, क्या आप म्यूजिक बंद करेंगे? To switch over the language or use multiple languages, what you need to do, you need to go on right top corner. There is a account setting options, then assistant setting. When you open assistant setting, it is your Google account, personal Google account, which opens up, and then you can choose languages. You can use multiple languages. It is written English. I can use another language or any other language, whichever language you want. I put Hindi. I can add few more languages, Spanish or French, and then Google Assistant start using those two languages or multiple languages in one go. Now let us try two languages. Hey Google, can you play some music?
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
Yeah. See, now it starts working on both the languages. Okay Google, क्या आप म्यूजिक फिर से शुरू करेंगे? Hey Google, stop the music. So now Google Home is taking commands for multiple languages or more than two languages. I used two language. You can use multiple languages. Invite your other home members who has its own personal setting, like I wanted to use Hindi and English or any other preferences. My other family member wants to use any other language. So you can invite home members with the account, invite person. you can use email ID. Let's say I'm using rce.rcenterprise@gmail.com. Next, next, next. Invite. So now there are more than one member in our group. You can change speaker from here also. See the volume which I told you. Hey Google, can you play some music?
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
You can play on the center to switch off music immediately at the center place. So that is pause rather than using application. So this is the way you can use Google Home for very basic thing. Now in our next video, we will see how to use smart switches which you can connect to your TV, how to set up your normal switch and convert to smart switch. So fan, light or TV or any other home device which can be operated through Google Home or Amazon Alexa. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.